Hello everyone, we are going to see about ng show directive. The ng show directive in AngularJS is used to conditionally show or hide an HTML element based on the evaluation of an expression. If the expression evaluates to true, the element is displayed. Otherwise, it is hidden. Key concepts: conditional visibility. ng shows allows you to dynamically control the visibility of HTML elements based on the truthiness of an expression. Dynamic content. By toggling the visibility of an element, ng-show enables you to display different content to users based on various conditions or states of your application. Responsive UI. ng-show is commonly used to create responsive user interface where elements are shown or hidden dynamically in response to user actions, data changes, or application state changes. The ng-show directive is applied to an HTML element using the ng-show equal to expression. Let's consider an example where we have a button that toggles the visibility of a paragraph element based on a Boolean variable in the controller scope. Now I will show you how it will work. For that I am going to create a div. Inside that ng app equal to my app and ng controller equal to my control. Inside that I am going to create an h2 and then I am going to make a button toggle visibility and inside button ng click equal to toggle visibility function. Next I am going to create a paragraph. This paragraph is inside that I am going to based on the condition it will this paragraph, if this visible is true then it will show visible, else it is false means it will show hidden. This paragraph is hidden. Next for pre-tag I am going to give ng show equal to next I am going to create a script. Now I am going to define an AngularJS module, angular.module empty array. Next I am going to define a controller, AngularJS controller. Now I am going to initialize the visibility state. Scope dot is not scope dot. I am initializing it to true. Next, I am going to create a function to toggle visibility. Scope dot equal to function scope dot equal to not scope dot is. If I save this and if I run this code, see, if I click on this button, it was hidden. See, now it is visible. Like this, we are using ng show. We have defined an AngularJS module called myApp and a controller called myCTRL. Inside the controller, we initialize a boolean variable is visible to true, which determines the initial visibility state of a paragraph element. We use the ng show directive to conditionally show or hide the paragraph element based on the value of the is visible variable. A button is provided to toggle the visibility state by calling the toggle visibility function defined in the controller. When clicked, the text of the paragraph dynamically updates based on the visibility state and disabling visible or hidden accordingly. When you run this code in a browser, you will see a paragraph element initially visible. Clicking the toggle button will be toggle the visibility of a paragraph, demonstrating the usage of ng show directive to conditionally show or hide HTML elements in the AngularJS application. Thank you.